to.
Naulit.
We're being brought here by my conscience. I best speak this, but she can steal. Oh, Lord, forgive me! Lord, forgive me. Forgive me what I've done. Please, bring peace of mind. Try, try this. We're crushed down below. I think the crushing my memories. That life had perished because of my shocking truth. She was my only sister since our childhood. I always believed that I was the favorite of our dad. One night, while I was pacing all about at the mirror, with my maker mini, I popped powder at Luisa's face, reflecting in the mirror. You can get out tonight, Lucille. And just say so, my dear sister. You know that, don't you? Cinderella and